Rain continues as we move through a quiet, tree-lined neighborhood in the Monterey area.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we
Wet pavement reflects dark cypress and pines around the hillside homes.
back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold. Perception's
Narrow streets, stop signs, utility lines, and parked cars give this drive a local rhythm.
to hide when everything is a lie. You'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part
The road winds beneath mature trees while rain beads across the windshield.
be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt
Homes and small parking areas appear between trunks, hedges, and wet branches.
when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew
This first part preserves the subdued colors and quiet atmosphere of a rainy Monterey afternoon.
as a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know
The neighborhood section slows near roadside trees before the recording changes to the next day.
or just the start of it. Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
It is now the morning of May 29th on Canyon Del Rey Boulevard in Seaside.
I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
A clear overhead sign marks Kimball Avenue as traffic moves toward Monterey Bay.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me
Clouds begin to break, revealing blue sky above the broad commercial roadway.
felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
The Embassy Suites Monterey Bay, Seaside rises ahead beside palms and shaped street trees.
I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime,
At Del Monte Avenue, heavier traffic and familiar storefronts mark Seaside's busy urban corridor.
I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where
This is 7080 Working Diary.
maybe drown myself in something.
See you on the next road.
Take me back.
Goodbye.